Introducing Google Pixel 6a. Not just a smartphone, a smarter phone for a smarter price. How is it smarter? It understands you, adapts to you, and helps you every step of the way. Simply put, Pixel 6a puts you first. It all starts with the Google Tensor chip, the first mobile processor made by Google and packed with Google intelligence, featuring machine learning, AI, and innovation that makes it not just brilliant, but very, very fast. The result is a phone that offers a more personal, helpful experience, the way a smartphone should. But that's not all. Pixel 6a has dual rear-wide and ultra-wide lenses, a front-facing camera, and Google Tensor's powerful processing, allowing you to take incredible photos from any angle, composition, or light. Real Tone helps you photograph all skin tones authentically. Night Sight takes incredible photos in the dark. And with Magic Eraser, you can remove unwanted distractions with just a few taps. So the Pixel 6a helps you take great pictures. But how does it keep you secure? The Titan M2 security chip and Google Tensor work together to make Pixel more resilient to attacks, and also comes with 5 years of security updates. Access is granted via your unique touch with fingerprint unlock. That's peace of mind at your fingertips. And it's not only protected from other people, it's protected from you. Pixel 6a is water resistant, so you can take your phone wherever you go. Especially if where you're going is in another language. Pixel 6a gives you the power of being multilingual with Live Translate. Understand written text,
आपका खाना बहुत स्वादिष्ट है, क्या रेसिपी है?
live conversations, in person or through messaging. With assistant voice typing,
We're doing great. Send.
you can use your voice to quickly type, edit, and send messages. And to make a great phone even greater, Pixel 6a continually upgrades itself with feature drops, hooking you up with new features every few months for things like camera, battery, and more. And speaking of battery, the Pixel 6a has a battery that can last up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver. That's about a weekend's worth of battery on just one charge. If you've been thinking about making the switch to a Pixel, it's never been easier. Your data, contacts, and messages will transfer seamlessly. There you have it, a smartphone that adapts to you, keeps your information secure, and enhances each and every moment, all for a lot less than you'd expect. The Pixel 6a from Google. For all you are.